And good Thursday afternoon to you. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon. As a matter of fact, it's about 46 degrees outside, as you saw at the start of the video. All the snow's gone. I want to share a new addition to my garage. If you'll notice over here beside the big Harley sign, I had to piece a few pieces together right there and there and behind this thing, and it's kind of right there's one, and I was trying to cover them up a little bit. So I like this big Firebird sign, so I kind of covered up my ugly spots with them. My brother's coming over tonight to bring some pieces for his car. He actually bought a whole new third member and some 31 spline axles to go in it. His were 28, so he just wants to make sure that everything's good and sturdy in it. So he's coming over tonight. I may work on the old 65 a little bit here in a little while, so if I do, I will set up the camera and give you guys a look-see. So show you more here in a little bit. I got this one cut out there on the last video. These things fit horrible. I mean, it will fix, you know, that mess right there, but they're not nowhere near wide enough. I mean, the other side, I'll take you over there and show you it. Lining it up down here, right down here at the bottom. See, when I cut this and put it back in, it's gonna fit good. It'll fit good right up here, but there's a big gap right here. It's together down here pretty much. I mean, it will be, but it's gonna leave way too big of a gap right in this area right here. I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. And I'm just going to put some metal in there and fill it in and weld it. But you can see right there, see how wide it is. And it doesn't come up against the cab, which I think that sucks, but I'll just put a piece in right there and weld it up and make it look a lot better. That's why I went ahead and welded it down here. It's supposed to sit on top of it, but I just went ahead and welded it down there. So and I'll take a flapper wheel to that and clean it up. Anyway, I'm just going to let you guys know that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it in the same place this one is, scribe it, cut it out, get ready to work on it. So anyway, I'll show you more when I get it drawn out and start cutting it. I'll make my scribe line right across through here. These silver pencils work really well, especially when you're marking on rust. So I'm just going back over my line where it was. I'm not going to, this patch on this side don't need to be near as big as the patch that on the other side. The other side had a whole lot bigger hole, if you'll remember from my other video. One thing I don't have is a plasma cutter. Of course, I can't really use a plasma cutter on this because this folds over a piece up under here. So I just have to take a death wheel and go across it right there. This is hollow behind this right here, but there's a piece right there, this piece, and then there's a piece in here behind this here. So I just have to take a death wheel and just kind of go over it. Okay, let's see, get you guys just behind you guys. Yeah, make sure I didn't move my camera. Yeah, we're good. There we go, a noise alert. Be really careful and just skim that. Try not to cut the piece behind it. see the metal in behind it there. I just cut through the first metal, but the other one's still back in there behind it. So death wheel done pretty good. So I'll get you guys put back up here. And we'll continue on. Okay, finally got it out. It's I didn't cut it as quite as high as I did that other one, but I got it out. Air chisel made a big mess in the floor from out from under the truck. So, and as you guys can see, there is a mess in there. So I'll get that vacuumed out, and we'll see what we can do about fitting this piece in here right quick. So show you more in a minute. Yes. Okay, after me screwing this piece up a little bit, I had to take it back apart and take it off, and I had to weld some of it back on. If you'll see right there, I had to weld a piece back in because I cut it too short. So you learn as you go, I guess. But got it in there in pretty good shape. The gap's a little bit wide right there, but no problem. I'll fill that in with a little weld. But got it snapped down on there, ready to tack in. So I'll get her tacked in. Hey folks, it's we've just jumped a week. We've had a lot of rain here lately, and I'm having water issues in my garage, and it's pretty significant. So I had to cut the video short. The one you're just now watching, I had to cut it a little bit short. I'm in the process right now of having something done about it. My garage about halfway floods, and of course everything's up off the floor. There's no big deal, but I have I bought a dehumidifier yesterday to try to I don't want it to mold in here, that's for sure. So I guess everybody has problems sometimes. Mine stems from the fact that my builder done a really good job building my building, but he didn't do a very good job of landscaping around it, and my gutters are small. So I've got issues with water, and I've got it under control right now, or at least I hope I do. I'm having 6-inch gutters put in and larger downspouts, and I am going to be turning the water away from the building. So in the southeastern part of the United States here lately, we've had a whole lot of water, and I've got more coming today, so I'm going to hang around down here since I'm off work and keep an eye on things and make sure that it don't come back in. But same video, we're a week later. Sorry about not being able to post it last week, but things happen, and I want to try my best to make sure that my viewers get to see me working on the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and get started again. I got the A-pillar patch panel on the passenger side put on, and I've almost got it all ground. I've got a little stuff to do in the corner, but I'll show you guys what's going on there, and I'm going to do a little cleaning up on the weld on the driver's side, and probably going to continue on welding the driver's side floor pan till I get it finished, and then we'll cut the passenger side out. I'd like to get the weld work done in the cab because I'm ready to move on. I'd like to get on the outside of the truck. I'd really like to get this thing done sometime in the next couple 3 months. I've been looking at the paint, and it looks really good. So I mean, as far as patina wise goes, I mean, I think it's going to make a nice patina truck. So but anyway, let's get started. Okay, we got this side over here done. It's not factory by any means, but it looks pretty good. Throw a little primer on it, and we'll run to the other side. So nothing like a good old flapper wheel. Smooth everything out.
Slap the copper plate in and see.
Do what?
Slap the copper plate in and see what we use to work.
Yeah.
A lot better than it works a lot better under heat. You got a tap. Yeah, it's just that.
Yeah. Well, the A-pillar's done on this side, and we'll walk over this way. And it's done on this side right here as well. So, task is taken care of. Oh, and we've also got my brother's Cobra finished. Rear end's in. 373 gears are in it. Plus we have also put brand new brake drums, slotted rotors, solid rotors. Let's focus in here. And the rear end's done. 31 spline axles. Finished it up. I have started grinding on the floor pan, but I'm going to call it quits because I'm tired. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I've started grinding on it a little bit over there. Still got just a little bit more welding to do, and then I'll finish that up. So, well, thanks for sticking with me. We'll get started back on this bad boy here in the next few days. But sorry about the delay and everything. We've had a lot of rain and had a lot of problems here, but I get back on it. I want to finish this up. The next project will be taking off the bed and getting it done. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, if you are, thank you very much, and I will see you later. See you, bye.